Welcome to this learning video on Health and Safety at Workplace by Power Sector Skill Council, produced in collaboration with SEMCA. Before we learn more about this topic, let us consider why we need health and safety. Workers spend about one-third of their lifetime at the workplace. Workers expect a safe working environment. It is their fundamental human right. However, poor working conditions still prevail in many countries, especially in developing countries, due to not practicing simple preventive measures. The condition of occupational health and safety available at workplace is the main determinant of workers' health. All over the world, workers face two types of occupational hazards: the traditional as well as the novel hazards. In complex work settings due to rapid industrialization, technological advancement and globalization, they face an equally wide variety of chemical, physical, and psychological hazards in production. Occupational health issues affect individuals, families, and communities. All stakeholders, including the state, the employer, the manager, and the worker, have certain responsibilities towards the health and safety of employees. They need to take up medical, engineering, and legislative interventions to make the work environment safer. In the electricity sector, we must be aware of the health and safety of workers in the workplace. Self-care as well as the care of the co-workers is the matter of utmost importance while carrying out electrical works to avoid mishap, accident, and thereby injuries. The accident will not occur if self-safety is observed. It is important to ensure safety of self and co-workers, the company's property, the public. Before starting any work, if the working condition seems to be unsafe or if there is no confusion, get the matter clarified and only then take the work in hand. Now we will know the equipment used for health and safety by electrical workers. 1. Hard hat to protect from falling debris. It is advisable to wear helmet strap properly. 2. Safety boots or shoes to protect from falling debris. Provides extra arc support for climbing. 3. Safety glasses or goggles to protect from hazardous glare, particularly when working on energized line. 4. Insulated rubber gloves to protect them from tearing or being punctured. 5. Respirators and masks to provide protection from pollution in the environment. 6. Earmuffs and earpieces to provide protection from noise pollution. 7. Safety belts or harnesses to provide protection against falling from heights. 8. Safety jacket. Workers wear high visibility clothing to alert other drivers and vehicle operators of their presence. Do you know what constitutes the safety and health management system of an organization? Safety and health management system is part of the organization's management system. It covers health and safety principles followed while at work in the organization and the health and safety policies of a company, the planning process for an accident and ill health prevention, line management responsibilities and practices, procedures, and resources for developing and implementing, reviewing and maintaining the occupational safety of workers and the health policy. The system should cover the entire gambit of an employer's occupational health and safety in the organization. The key elements of a successful safety and health management system are: 1. Policy and commitment. The workplace should prepare occupational safety and health policy program as part of the preparation of the safety statement required by Section 20 of the Safety, Health and Welfare at Work Act 2005. 2. Planning. The workplace should formulate a plan to fulfill its safety and health policy as set out in the safety statement. 3. Implementation and operation. Effective implementation. Organizations should develop the capabilities and support mechanisms necessary to achieve the safety and health policy, objectives, and targets. 4. Measuring performance. The organization should measure, monitor, and evaluate safety and health performance. Performance can be measured against agreed standards to reveal when and where improvement is needed. 5. Auditing and reviewing performance. The organization should review and improve its safety and health management system continuously so that its overall safety and health performance improves constantly. 6. What issues should review of the safety and health management system cover? An organization should carry out an initial review of the safety and health management system and follow this up with periodic reviews. The initial review should compare the existing safety and health practices. 7. Can I get an example of a safety and health policy anywhere? Safety and health policies are specific to each organization. The content of the policy of an organization should be based on the hazards and risks present in the organization and should reflect the fact that systematic hazard identification and risk assessment have been undertaken. As a minimum, the policy should contain a commitment that safety and health legislation will be complied with and would specify those responsible for implementing the policy at all levels in the organization and define their responsibilities. 8. Effective safety and health management include effective emergency planning. What should this cover? The organization should establish and maintain procedures to respond to accidents and emergencies and to prevent and minimize the safety and health impacts associated with them. This is required by Section 11 of the Safety, Health and Welfare at Work Act 2005. 9. Cautions in using accident and ill health data. Accident and ill health data are important as they are a direct indicator of safety and health performance. Health and safety procedures in the workplace reduce employee illnesses and injuries greatly. Training is important and effective for health and safety. This is because it will educate employees on proper workplace procedures, practices, and behavior to prevent possible injuries and illness or contamination due to improper hygiene. Thank you for watching this learning video on health and safety at workplace.